guys, my name is Alfian Sedan Daud and I am from class 12-4 and my absent number is number 3. So this time I wanna explain about a narrative text. So what is a narrative text? A narrative text is a type of the text that tell a story with the purpose of entertaining, teaching moral lesson, or sharing experience. It usually involves character, setting, and a sequence of events that build up to a problem and its resolution. Narrative text is commonly found in fairy tales, fable, myths, legend, and adventure stories. Next is structure of narrative text, and the first one is orientation, the second one is complication, the third one is evaluation, the fourth one is resolution, and the last one is coda. And now this time I wanna explain about orientation. In a narrative text, orientation is the introductory part of the story that sets the scenes by introducing the character, the time, and the place where the event occur, answering questions like who, when, where, to provide background information for the reader. For example, once upon a time, in the middle of a quiet forest, there lived a mighty lion who was feared by all animals. One hot afternoon, while the lion was sleeping peacefully under a shady tree, a little mouse accidentally ran across his nose. And next is complication. Complication is the part of the story where problems, conflict, or obstacles arise and develop, leading to central conflict of the narrative. It serves to introduce issues that the character must face, creating tension and driving the plot forward from the introductory and orientation to the eventual resolution. For example, the lion woke up angrily and caught the tiny creatures with his strong paw. How dare you disturb my sleep? I will eat you. The lion roared furiously. The frightened mouse begged, please don't eat me. If you let me go, I promise that one day I will help you. The lion laughed loudly at the idea of a small mouse helping a powerful king of the jungle, but at least he decided to release him. Next is evaluation. Evaluation is the part where the story gives more detail to emphasize the importance of the event or to show how serious the problem is. For example, they passed on the lion, and the lion continued his life in the forest. However, one unlikely day, he was caught in a hunter's net. The more he struggled, the tighter the net became. He roared loudly, calling for help, but no animal dared to come near. Afraid of the hunter, his power and his strength were useless in the trap. Next is resolution. Resolution is the part of the story where the main conflict is resolved, providing closure to the plot. It occurs after the story's climax and failing action, wrapping up loose ends and showing how the story concludes, which can be happy or tragic ending. The resolution brings the story arc to its conclusion and serves as the final stage of the plot. For the example, suddenly the little mouse heard the lion desperate roar and rushed to the spot. Without hesitation, the mouse began gnawing at the ropes with his sharp teeth. Bit by bit, the ropes broke until finally the lion was free. The mighty king of the jungle was saved by the small mouse he once underestimated. The last one is coda or reorientation. Coda or reorientation is the closing part that provides a conclusion or a moral lesson. And for the example, the lion gratefully thanks to the mouse and realized that even the smallest creature could be of great importance. From that day, the lion and the mouse become a friend. And for the moral, never underestimate others because everyone has their own strengths and value. Next, I want to tell about a language feature. The first one is action verb and the second one is past tense. Alright, the first one, action verb, are words that show physically activities or process done by the character in the story. function, they make the narrative more dynamic because they describe what actually happened. Example in narrative text: run, shouted, jump, fog, blew, robbed, shone, and exhausted. Sentence in example: the lion roared loudly when the hunter next caught him. Next is past tense. Past tense verbs are verbs that show action or situation which happened in the past. Function: because narrative texts tell the stories that already happened, they are mostly written in the past tense. Examples in narrative text: live, went, found, help, and save. And sentence for example-nya is: once upon a time, in the middle of a quiet forest, there lived a mighty lion who was feared by all animals. Thank you for watching.